Shopping for a new sink? Choosing the right kitchen sink is an important step in designing your dream kitchen. From timeless farmhouse styles to sleek modern designs, our sinks combine function, durability, and beauty. In this guide, we'll walk you through the different sizes, styles, and materials we offer at Magnus Home Products to help you find the perfect sink for your space. When choosing a kitchen sink, before style and material, the first thing to consider is size. Most people select the largest sink that will fit their cabinet, allowing for maximum space and functionality. A good rule of thumb is to choose a sink that is one size smaller than your cabinet, typically about 3 inches less. For example, for a 36 inches cabinet, you would select a 33 inches sink. From there, think of styles that fit your home. Farmhouse or apron front sinks are among today's most popular kitchen styles. Available in a variety of materials, finishes, and bowl configurations, these statement pieces bring authentic farmhouse charm while offering exceptional functionality. With so many options to choose from, a farmhouse sink can beautifully transform the look and feel of your kitchen. Drop-in sinks are one of the most versatile options. Available in several materials and finishes, these sinks offer a vintage appeal and come with multiple bowl options. Drop-in sinks can also be installed as undermounts, making them a practical choice for many kitchens. Undermount sinks fit seamlessly beneath the countertop for a clean, modern look. Available in several materials and finishes, these sinks offer a vintage appeal and come with multiple bowl options. Many homeowners love undermount sinks because there's no lip to catch dirt, making cleanup easier. Undermount sinks can also be installed as drop-in sinks, making them a practical choice for many kitchens. Upgrade your kitchen with our innovative collection of double and single bowl workstation sinks designed for both efficiency and style. Each sink features a built-in ledge that accommodates accessories like cutting boards, racks, and colanders, creating a seamless workspace for prepping, cooking, and cleaning, all in one convenient modern design. When choosing a sink, consider how you use your kitchen every day to find the option that best fits your needs. Magnus Home Products offers a wide selection of styles, materials, and sizes, making it easy to find the perfect match for your space. Finally, think about material. Cast iron sinks are durable and timeless. They resist scratches, offer deep basins, and are available in several styles, including decorative drain board options. Copper sinks are thick, durable, and naturally antimicrobial. Our collection offers a wide variety of hammered and smooth finishes to suit your style and preference. Fired at extremely high temperatures, fire clay sinks are strong, durable, and resistant to everyday wear. They've long been a favorite for their classic beauty and longevity. Granite composite sinks showcase unique and smooth textures, while granite composite sinks blend stone and resin for unmatched durability. Both options bring strength and elegance to busy kitchens. Stainless steel sinks are the perfect blend of form and function. They're easy to clean, resist wear, and work beautifully in both modern and traditional kitchens. No matter your size, style, or material preference, Magnus Home Products offers kitchen sinks designed to last a lifetime. With free shipping, generous warranties, and options to suit every kitchen, we make it easy to find the perfect fit. Explore our full collection today and discover how the right sink can transform your kitchen into a true centerpiece. When ordinary won't do, discover the extraordinary with Magnus Home Products.